Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to combine two or more videos on Capcut using your mobile device. So let's get started. First, open your Capcut app on your mobile device. Choose a project that you're working on. Then, tap the add icon at the side of your screen. Now, choose your video that you want to combine. Then, tap add button. As you can see, it combined the video. If you want to combine more, just do the same way. Now I have two videos combined. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.